the other one just went down. Not too sure if I'll be able to get that second one. Pushing himself under. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna have to put my phone down, get in there and go grab him. Definitely a little bit wet. There's that beaver. Got her done, boys. Had to put down all the stuff out of my pockets. The other beaver was just right over there. I'm not too cold yet. Jumped across to that little section here and fished them out. But it's not a bad beaver at all. It's a perfect headshot, probably 40-pound beaver. I see the other beaver now, so I'm gonna get going to get right back to you. Fortunately, that's as good as we gotta get. That's a dead beaver right there, buddy. We got her done. 2 beavers right there. Got a beautiful afternoon. Sun's going down. Gotta pack them up there and a little ways to the truck. I don't know. Just brought a little day pack, so this will be an interesting one since I don't have my frame or anything like that. Probably both around 40-pound beavers, so we'll put them on the scale when we get home and actually see. It could be being a little generous, but you know, that never hurt nobody. I'll get this thing all packed up and I'll get back to you once I get on the roll. Got both beaver loaded up, got the gun, and it's time to head out of here.